Hi, we're Katie and Alex, and we are the directors of Project Inc, and we're here to build a creative community.
We know what it's like to start a career in the creative industries. Sometimes you can be asked to work for free, sometimes just for exposure. And knowing exactly where to turn for the right support and resources to help your career is difficult, and we want to change that. We're building a community and a resource hub that gives you access to real work alongside industry professionals and enables you to really get to grips with the commercial skills required for a long and prosperous career.
So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, join Project Inc today.